In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Gmail. This is a great way to personalize your emails and ensure that every message you send reflects a bit of who you are or your professional persona. Now, let's dive in and make sure your emails leave a lasting impression. First things first, you'll need to log into your Gmail account. Once you've done that, look over to the upper right corner where you'll see the gear icon for settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu. To access more advanced settings, click on the option that says See All Settings. This is where we'll be doing most of the work. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Look for the one that says General. It should be the first tab, making it easy to spot. Scroll down through the general settings until you find the signature section. This might take a bit of scrolling as Gmail's general settings cover a lot of options, but it shouldn't take long to find. In the signature section, you'll want to click on Create New. This is where you will start crafting your signature. You'll be prompted to name your signature, which is especially handy if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes, like one for business and another for personal use. Now that you have a new signature box, it's time to get creative. Think about what you want to include. Most people opt for their name and contact information at the very least. You might also want to add your job title, company name, and perhaps a link to your website or social media profiles. As you type, you'll see the changes appear in the box. Gmail gives you a mini toolbar to format your text, allowing you to change the font, add images, and even create hyperlinks. Once you're satisfied with your signature, scroll down to find the Signature Defaults section. This is where you decide when your signature gets used. You can set it so that it automatically appears on new emails and/or replies and forwards. This choice is useful if you want full control over when your signature is appended to your messages. Finally, after all that customization and decision-making, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This button is crucial because, without it, everything you've done will be lost once you navigate away from the settings page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a professional, personalized signature to your Gmail account. Whether you're sending an email to a client or catching up with friends, your signature is now ready to make a statement. Enjoy the new touch of personality in your correspondence and happy emailing!